What's up, guys? 2018 Gold Rush jerseys going live. Timestamp 146. Random divisions number 1. That's what I was trying to say. Already have the divisions in. Already have the names in. We randomize both. Throw you in a spreadsheet. Wherever you line up, that's who you get. Dice 4 or more. 7 times on the divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. AFC East on top, AFC South on the bottom. WGWIWB is the code for the divisions. Now let's do the names. Again, 4 more. It is a 4. Little old 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Brad up top, Blake on the bottom. ZVLNKJ is the code. And of course, every freaking time. If anybody knows why it does that, tell me. That'd be cool. There you go. That's who you have. And we are done. Thanks a lot, guys. Good luck to everybody. Done at 148.